Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can use coins on AliExpress. So coins are rewards that AliExpress give you for completing tasks or making purchase. Once you have a few coins accumulated, you can exchange them for coupons and get discounts on your next purchase as well. So if I tap on coins on my AliExpress account, as you can see, I need to make sure that I have login daily in order to collect my coins on the daily basis. So now let's say you have some coins and you want to spend it on your next purchase. So what you need to do is to simply go for the coupons and then you just need to tap on get coupons. If you have coupons, you can simply redeem the coins from the app. When you click on redeem coupons, AliExpress will redirect you to the application if you are not on the right now. So after that, you just need to make sure to keep in mind the conversion rate. If you have 200 coins, it will be equivalent to $2 worth of discount and so on. Coins can also be spent partially or completely when paying for goods in some Ali stores. If you convert coins into coupon, the list of store where you can use these coupons also expand as well. So that's the whole process of how you can use coins on AliExpress.